Warren Buffett on several occasions expressed his opinion about gold. He did not believe in the asset class. He classified it as a non-productive asset. So, why the sudden desire for gold? Well, Warren Company did not buy gold. Yes, he did not buy gold. Contrary to the news being circulated. Take a listening.
Yeah, I would just say let's not confuse the company with the commodity. It's everyone saying, what, suddenly Buffett loves gold? He hates gold. Well, he's buying the company. Let's remember, it fits a lot of his criteria. It generates a huge amount of income, $4 billion last year. This year, over $700 million. It's 11 times earnings, so it's fairly cheap, and it pays a good dividend. So as a company, it fits the Buffett standards, and let's not confuse it with actual physical gold, which he has rightly said it doesn't make sense for Berkshire to own.
That's fair. It's just that these companies have been around forever. Does he think now is the valuation? Whatever. That's a very, very good point. I will reserve I'll take it with a grain of salt. It just is a very head-scratching move today.
Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, comment below. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.